Shenzhen Kanghongjin Electronics leading manufacturer of SMT consumables based in Shenzhen, China since 2002. With over 20 years experience in SMT field, our product lines include SMT Splice Tape, SMT Splice Tools, SMT Splice Pliers, SMT Splice Scissors, SMT Copper Clip, Cleanroom Wiper, SMT Stencil Wiper Roll, Cleanroom Wipe Cloth, Cleanroom Wipe Paper. Products are exported to more than 40 countries, such as the United States, Canada, Mexico, Germany, Russia, Japan, Thailand, Vietnam, Taiwan, India, and
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.